Morning guys, welcome to Circumference of a Circle with Mrs. Kirby. Right, we have here a circle with a centre and a radius. The radius goes from the centre of the circle to the edge of the circle. Usually the outside of a shape would be called the perimeter. But when we have a circle, it's given a special name, and that is the circumference. And we have a formula for finding the circumference of a circle, and the formula is the circumference is equal to 2 times pi, which is a special number, and I'll talk about that in a minute, times r, the radius. Okay, this number is on your calculator and it is 3.141 blah 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 blah, and it goes on and on and on and on forever. So we don't need to worry about that number really, because it is on our calculator. And when I do an example, I'll show you where to find it on your calculator. And this is the radius of the circle. So let's do an example where we have got a circle with a centre and a radius of 5 centimetres. When we're doing these questions, what we need to do is make sure that we are writing down the whole formula so it gets lodged in our brains. So C equals 2 times pi times r. We substitute the numbers we have got in here. So 2 times pi, we're going to get that from our calculator, times 5, which is the radius. Then we pop these numbers into our calculator. Now it's a little bit difficult to see on this demonstration, but I'm going to try my best. So we type in 2 times and then shift and the bottom number down here, and that brings up pi, hope you can just see that, times 5, and press the equal sign. Now lots of scientific calculators will give you a multiple of pi as the answer, so this one does, and it says 10 pi. But then in order to change that into a decimal, which we can then round to 1 decimal place, we need to press this button, the SD button, changing it into a decimal, and that gives us 31.415 blah 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 blah, again going on forever, and we're going to round it to 1 decimal place. So our circumference is equal to 31.4, and the units are centimetres because it is a length. Thank you for watching.